Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to the BSS tech. Today we are introducing PowerPoint. Basically, PowerPoint is used for making of presentation. So the first thing that you should know about that presentations are made on slides. If you want to make new slides, simply click on Control plus M, or you can simply click on New Slide and it will be given to you simply. And coming to the next point, the second option is the layout of the slide, where you can select the format of your slide. Now layout, here you can select any of the layouts from comparing to your content or the format you want to put in the slide. So with this one or this one, any of you want. So the third option in it is reset. Now reset is basically used to reset all your formation on your site, and by clicking simply on reset, your all of the formattings of your slide will be reset to the default one. Now the fourth option in it is the selection. Now selection is basically used to organize all your slides by number wise series. Now just coming to the next point. Now the next point is all of about your text formatting. Like this, I have written any of text on it. Like this, I have written my name Burhan, and if you want to format your text, like if you want to bold it, if you want to italic it, if you want to underline it, just simply click on reset, and it will all be reset. Now coming to the point, if you want to make more text formatting on it, you can simply uh, strike through it, or if you want to space your characters, simply click on it, and there are various options of any character spacing, and you can simply select any of one of them if you want to. Like here, the default one is normal. If you want to make more character spacing, click on very. If you want to close it, click on very tight. If you want to lose it, like if you want to lose it more, con press on normal, or if you want more, then you can take your more option. Now coming to the next point is a change case. So there are 5 options in change case. If you want to make your text more affordable, then you can simply click on the change case option. Sentence case, it will be simple. Lowercase, it will make all of your text into small letter. Uppercase, it will make into your bigger capital letters. Capitalize each word. For the letter of your the word of your every letter, it will capitalize, and toggle case some will be capitalized and some will be small. Now coming to the next point, here is the select of your font style. If you want any of this style font, you can change from it here, clicking on side. And coming to the next point is the font size. If you want to make your font size bigger, you can select any of them. If you want to make it small, you can make it from here, or if you want to make it big, you can make it from here. Now here is the option of text highlighter. If you want to highlight on any of your text, simply select your text you want to highlight, and you can choose any of color. Look at this, like I want to highlight it from blue, yellow, green, any one of you want. Now coming to the next point. The next point is simple, clear all formatting. If you want to format all your formatting of text, you can simply select clear all formatting. It will remove all your options, all your formatting of text except highlighter. You have to remove it from here. So just like that. Now coming to the last point of the home tab, first ribbon font of first ribbon of font. Here is the option of font color. If you want to change the color of your font, you can simply select your font and select your text, and you can change it from here. Any of the color you have want to select, like that. Thank you. We can continue the next ribbon of paragraph in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.